Good morning everyone, and you know that most of you are aware through the Consortium of Industrial Agroforestry we are giving technology based video clippings. This is mainly to create awareness and to translate actual technology to benefit the farming community so that farmers can increase their productivity and increase their profitability. That's the motto. That is the reason during the last few weeks we have delivered technology based programs. And as a part of this program, today we are going to show you how the farm income can be enhanced by using the technology called the agroforestry based slatted goat farming. It is not only a technology, it is a methodology. This methodology integrates tree component, agriculture component and animal component. So we have created, Forest College and Research Institute, we have created a model plant within less than 1 acre. We have created a model plant which is generating an annual income of between 8 and 10 lakh rupees. That's a major system which we are now going to showcase to you so that farmers can see to it, adapt to it and replicate it so that your income or the productivity can be increased. Now we'll enter into the what is called as the agroforestry based slatted goat farming unit. Here you can see there are two different systems. One is annual grasses. Annual grasses but perennial mood. Annual grasses but perennial mood. That means they are all perennial grasses which is amenable for harvest in every month or every 45 days, every 60 days, like that you can go. We have a grasses like hedge lucerne, Co3, Co4, Co5 and there are other varieties. Similarly, we have a perennial grass. This is a tree component, fodder trees. Forest College and Research Institute has identified more than 30 different tree species with a high protein content, fat content and fiber content. Similarly, there are species identified for higher proportion of mineral as well. Whatever it is amenable for cattle feed, they are all screened and they are established in the form of hedges. And in the next video clipping you can see whatever the species we have assembled, whatever we are maintaining for the last 2 years as a hedges, you can see as a video clipping. This is what we call as a slatted goat farming. This is a model plant. The entire area is less than 1 acre, and this slatted goat farm, this unit alone 800 square feet. And the expertise available with Dr. Umesh. Now we'll have an interview. We'll discuss with him like how this slatted goat farming is going to be beneficial to all the farmers or all the practitioners. Please come in. We'll enter into the slatted goat farming unit. Now you can view the entire unit, slatted goat farming unit. Then we will get the expertise from Dr. Umesh, like whatever it is available. Now I have with me Dr. Umesh Khanna, who is experienced with this slatted goat farming unit. Now we will ask you, Dr. Umesh, please tell me what is this model?
Good morning, sir. This is slatted goat farming where the space is the constraint. The minimum space, maximum output can be achieved.
Wherever space is constrained, you recommend this model.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes,
now you tell me what are the breeds available here?
Sir, here we have got 4 breeds, sir. One is Talacheri,
Okay.
second one is Salem Black,
Okay.
third one is Kodiyadu, fourth one is Kanyad.
Okay, what is this?
Sir, this is Salem Black.
This is Salem Black.
This is Salem Black.
What is this?
And, sir, this is Kanyad.
This is Kanni.
Yeah,
Okay.
Kanni.
The whites are Talacheri.
The whites are Talacheri.
Whites are Talacheri.
And the taller one,
taller.
having a slender blade, that is called Kodiyadu.
Kodiyadu. Oh, that's very good. Kodiyadu. Okay, very good. Now, you tell me now how this can increase, accelerate the revenue of the farmers or revenue of those who are interested in slate goat farming? Please tell.
Sir, actually, the size of the slated shed here is 800 square feet.
800 square feet. Okay.
So each goat requires only 10 square feet to accommodate.
One goat, 10 square
10
feet.
square.
So this is 80 square feet, 800 square
800 square
feet.
feet.
You can accommodate 80.
80 goats here. But presently we are accommodating only 42 goats.
Only 42 currently.
Only 40.
Okay.
Because it is the initial phase.
Okay. How many goats you have purchased at the time of inception?
Sir, we have purchased only 28.
28.
28 from 4 breeds.
Okay. 28 from 4 breeds. Now it has gone to 42.
On January.
And January.
On January.
Within 6 months.
Within 6 months, it has got up to 42.
42. That's a very good replication. And they have also now not only numbered but also weight also gained.
Yes, sir. The parent stock will gain the weight and simultaneously we will be getting the kids also.
Very good. What was the weight? What was the original weight? What is today's weight?
So while purchasing, we got on an average on the 9 to 12 kilos.
9 to 12
because
kilos.
all the stock they are purchased at the age of 9 months.
Okay.
And now it has raised up to 16 months. And the weight is almost only 18 to 20 kg.
18 to 20 kg.
18 to 20. That's the weight. And apart from that, almost 25% of the population has needed a kids also.
Kids also. Very good. Very good. Okay, you just tell me, Umesh, are you satisfied? This is the revenue model?
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir. Why? Because each goat can replicate or can yield a kid twice a year.
Twice a year. Each goat can yield twice a year.
Twice a year.
What is the average number of yields?
On an average, per liter, we will be getting 2 kids.
2 kids. So totally annually 4 kids.
4 kids.
One goat, 4 kids.
4 kids.
So if you have 40, for example, 50 goats, so automatically 50 into 4.
50 not 50 into 4. Because we have to maintain the male population.
Male population, okay.
So out of 50, 46 male, 46 female and 4 is a male.
Okay.
4 is a male.
So each female will give you 4 kids.
4 kids.
Okay.
So on an average, almost 40 female are going to litter. We will be getting 80 kids.
80. If you are maintaining 40, you will be getting 80 kids.
80 kids.
So that's a very good
80 kids, that too in 6 months. Sir.
That too in 6 months.
6 months. If it is converted to 1 year, it will be 160 kids.
Oh, 80.
Because 40 into 4, 160.
160.
160.
Oh. So even if you take 100,
Sir.
if you take 100, within 12 months, what is the average weight of a goat?
Sir, if you have got 100 goats, within 1 year, definitely 150 is the average. Average. But originally, when we are supposed to get almost 100 into 4, that is 400. 400.
So that's a very good. That definitely is going to be a revenue model. So now you tell me why this is a space constraint. Wherever space is constrained, you can establish a model. What about the feed? What kind of feeds you are using?
Since this is agroforestry, that is predominantly silviculture based agroforestry model, we are getting more amount of green products from the trees. Which
So
are
tree,
available for forest.
you can grow the tree for some commercial utility.
Yes, sir.
Simultaneously, you can use the leaf for a cutting.
Yes, sir.
That's an added revenue to the farmer.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That is one purpose.
Okay.
If at all the tree is highly suitable to forest, even we are making as a hedge.
Hedges.
As a
Okay.
hedge.
Okay.
So periodically it will be lopped.
Lopped.
Whatever the forest available will be getting. So there is a tree based.
That's a tree-based product.
And the next stage is a pure forest.
Crop-based forest.
Crop-based forest.
What are
There is
those?
Co4, Co5, edge loosen,
Edge-loosen.
and
Loosen.
Napier also.
Napier, company
They are also-
Co5.
And we got Secretariat.
Okay.
And the forest system here composed of three components. One is tree-based forest, one is crop-based forest, and one is concentrated.
Okay.
And 40% is tree-based forest, 40% is crop-based forest, and 20% is the concentrated
Very
food.
good.
And mainly concentrated food will be adding vitamins and minerals. And the vitamins and minerals are highly essential for just generating the heat, so that the cycling of littering will be possible. So that is highly essential. And apart from that, the goat must be the concept of this slated goat farming is pen and run. Pen in the sense it has to be pen at a single point, and at minimum time it has to be given with a run. Okay, and this is the penning system, and whatever the surrounding what we are having is the run system.
Oh, that's a very good. So you mean that the goat farming, slated goat farming is a commercial business enterprise?
Yes, sir. Exactly.
Do you want to say it's only farmers can do or anyone can do?
No, sir. Anyone can do that with minimum background of farming system.
With a minimum background of farmers. Otherwise, do you give training also for this?
Sure, sir. We have got agribusiness incubation over here.
Okay.
And through agribusiness incubation, this commercial model is being replicated.
Okay. So those who are interested to get trained on this aspect, you can just enroll with Dr. Umesh Khanna. So you can be trained and you can start your own business. So that's an idea of this video recording. So idea very simple, because you know that everyone is now interested towards agriculture and farming activities. So agriculture alone, instead of doing agriculture alone, we can do integrated system involving forestry as a component in the form of agroforestry, and also involving goat farming as one of the components. So there are three basic components involved: agriculture, forestry, and animals. So once it is there, definitely we can generate a lot of revenue. Not only revenue, we can also provide employment. So the concept is now we should not be the job seekers. We should be the job provider. This kind of innovative model will provide a lot of job opportunities, will enhance the income of the farmers, will enhance double the income of the farming community. So definitely this is one of the beautiful model for replication not only in Tamil Nadu but the entire country, so that the government's vision of doubling farmers' income, doubling productivity, tripling income, everything is possible by integrating agriculture, forestry and the animal component. And this is one of the excellent model where we are getting fodder from tree component, we are getting fodder from animal component, and we are getting litter from the animals. The litter is again flowed back to the soil, so that the soil fertility is also maintained. Thank you very much for listening to this.